Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we've got another unboxing. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. First, intro. Now we're gonna go ahead and go through the spoilers for September. Okay, so the first thing I've got is some different variations. So with Ipsy, it always depends because they rely so heavily on their quiz. Boxes are going to be really different for everybody. So we've got the Wander Beauty Eyeshadow Palette, Glam Glow Tropic Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser, Murad Age Spot Pigment Lightening Serum, Ofra Madison Miller Palette, which is a highlighting palette, and a Nomad Eyeshadow Palette. We're going to show it right here. And of course I'll leave links. Then we've got Ciate Setting Powder is a possibility. Squaw Antimatter Lipstick. I Do Care Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask. That would be really cool. Of course, Aiko Black Magic Liquid Liner. That's a whole lot of spoilers. I'll leave the link below for where I get my spoilers from. And we're just going to go ahead and get into the video. So, we have got this month's Ipsy. We got a lot of things. So, we'll start with what we can't use. This I'm excited about, maybe. I don't know, the packaging is so cute. I can't not be excited about this. We have a Smith & Colt nail polish in Pillow Pie. It's just really cute packaging. It's got that little dent in it like most Smith & Colt things do. It's adorable. It's a pretty nude color. If you can't tell, I like nude nails. I'm excited. A lot of people weren't. I'm a weirdo. It happens. And then we've got this Ahava. I like that. Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. Blah, 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 for your face. I guess you put it on at nighttime or whatever. We'll see if it smells good. If we can get the top off of it. It smells decent. I don't know. It's fine. Okay, and it's going to be difficult to put that top back on. There we go. It's a pop top. But that's nice. I'll try it. Let y'all know in the comments if you want. I don't really care. It's whatever. Then for my add-ons, these did not come with a box. These are $3 add-ons. I got the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream. This is the bluish one that everyone says is amazing. Haven't opened it yet. Not going to. I know it smells like the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum cream, except a little more coconut, I believe. And I also got this eyeshadow brush, which we are going to use in this video. It is SL Miss Glam. If y'all know me, you know I cannot pass up their brushes because not only do they work amazing, they're so stinking cute. Full glitter handle, rhinestones here, faded tip here. I love it. Okay, so I guess we're going to go ahead and jump in. We have 3 more products that can actually be used. Let me set my under eyes first with this Becca stuff from my Boxy Charm in that last video, because I have not done that yet. Also haven't figured out how to open this without making a disaster everywhere. So that is fun. If I make a disaster, we just agree to ignore it. I will never get over how weird this powder feels. Anyways, that's set because I knew if I didn't, I was gonna look like a disaster in a little bit. It's totally fine. I'm just gonna barely brush away the excess with my fingers. and we're feeling silky. Okay, so we got this in the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Hits Volume 2 from the Balm. It's got, oh, this is amazing. Okay, it's got Bahama Mama bronzer, Down Boy, Frat Boy, and Insane blushes. And then we've got a few of the popular eyeshadows, which I should be able to make a pretty decent look with. But first, we're going to go ahead and do our contour and our blush. We're going to zoom in a little so you can actually kind of see my face. Sorry, guys. But we're just going to go ahead and do this. Some of their products don't blend so hot for me, and also since they're in such a small pan, it makes things difficult. Like, I use a huge brush when I contour, bronze, whatever, so it's hard. Also, yeah, I think that's a little dark for me. It'll be fine. We'll tone it down in a minute. But we are just going to contour a bit, try to get our life together. We'll go over it in a minute to tone it down some because this is a little dark for me. Everything is a little dark for me, so it's totally fine. Just one of them things. Honestly, we need to go a little light anyways because it's hot. It's early in the morning and I am about to go to work. So a lot of this is just gonna sweat off pretty fast anyways. I think that toned it down a little bit. Still looks kind of terrible. Don't judge. Just know if you're fair skinned, these are hard to blend. So we're going to go ahead and grab Insane right here. It kind of has an orgasm feel, maybe a little bit darker. And use this for blush. Definitely a little bit darker, but still cute. It's fine. Okay, so before we go ahead and do our eyes with that palette, we're going to grab our next product because I want to finish my face off first. So the next thing we've got is these Suva Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops. I'm not the biggest fan of liquid highlight, but we're going to give it a shot and we're going to try it and see how it works. This is probably one of those that you could also add into a foundation. I can tell you now this is going to be a little dark for me. This is the color Trust Fund. It is very gold. But we're going to do it for the video. Let it happen anyways. So here's what it looks like on the hand. Let's let that focus when you spread it out. Very shiny. So we're going to take just a little bit of this, dab it, and blend it down. It's not too terrible once I blend it. Definitely is a little bit dark for me, but it doesn't look too tragic once it's blended down a little better. I don't know if y'all can see it correctly, but it's not the worst thing I've ever put on my face, so it'll be alright. But we're just blending it in, making sure it is shining. It doesn't seem to be moving my foundation too much, which is good. Maybe we shouldn't have put it on our nose. It's already there. Oh, it did indeed move the foundation on my nose. That's a real thing. So we're gonna attempt to, yeah, we're not gonna fix that, but we'll fix it in a little bit. I'm gonna get all this excess off of my hand because a little bit of that goes a very long way. As you can see, I wiped it off. My hand is still shiny. I don't know if y'all can tell. Anyways, beside the point. Pretty good. Not quite my color, but I'll roll with it. Now we're going to go ahead and do our eyes. I'm actually pretty sure this Mary Luminizer is a highlighter. It is. So we had a highlighter in here. That's good to know. It is a good highlighter, by the way, now that I'm paying attention. We're going to use Meet Matte Adore right there. And we are just going to toss this into the crease. I know this brush is a little weird for a crease brush, but I just wanted to use what came in the box. And since I got this as an extra, I figured we could just use it. So we're just building this up. We're going to attempt a neutral eye because honestly everything is just going to melt off anyways. So it doesn't really matter too terribly much what we do. Sorry guys, blocking the camera. These small mirrors are hard to see. So I'm having a little bit of issues with pigment, however, with the color this is, that's pretty reasonable that it would be a little harder to see. Not gonna be mad at it. Gonna take a little bit on my lower lash line just to add a tiny bit of color, but not much obviously since this is pretty light. Then we're going to take a little bit of Meet Matrimony right here. We're going to be careful with it. Darken up this outer corner so that we have a little bit of dimension going. Probably a little bit too much, but it'll be fine. So we are going to blend this over. And I will say these are some pretty decent mattes typically. They usually blend a little better than this actually. Today this is looking like poops, but it'll be fine. We'll pull it together in the end. We just need to darken up this outer corner. For some reason it's being really, really patchy today. I don't know what's up with that. Putting a little bit of this dark on the lower lash line. And then blending this over. This is super weird because typically these perform a whole lot better than this. I don't know what's up with it today, but it'll be alright. We'll roll with it. We may look a little rough. We're just going to work, so it'll be okay. But be aware that if you got this palette in your Ipsy, it is a little more than questionable. Still not sure what's really going on with this because it's just not blending how I'm used to the Balm Shadows blending. Typically they are really good mattes. Some of my favorites actually, but they look very rough today. Anyways, so we are going to go ahead and go with Firm right here. This is a dark color, but it's a little bit metallic. So we're going to put this on the lid. Their metallics have never been my favorites. It'll work, but it's not very good. But we're just going to blend this over, get it all over the lid. Trying to get it in this corner too, because that's always a problem. And then we're going to take a little bit of Mary Luminizer, the one I said is a highlight, and pop that in the inner corner. Now that is a highlight. Amazing. So now I'm cleaning my hands off on bubble wrap. Don't judge, guys. Now we're going to go ahead and take a pause while I put on my eyeliner and mascara, and then I'll be back with our final product. Okay, So eyeliner and mascara can really tie some things together, which is wonderful because it looks not amazing, but better than it did. So the last thing we have in this box is this Finding Ferdinand lipstick. These are cool. You close them, you click them, pull them out. Super nifty. Y'all know I do not like regular lipsticks. Whatever. We're gonna try it on anyways. We probably won't leave it on, but we're gonna try it on. We're gonna see what happens. So, this is the color. It's called All Natural. It's obviously nude. And it's definitely more pink than I expected. Okay, so it's very pink for what I thought it would be. I mean, it's alright. Kind of icy, really. Super weird. Anyways, yeah, that's fine. I don't wear a whole lot of liquid lipstick for or regular lipstick. I only wear liquid for personal reasons, but it's okay because like it's kind of cute and whatever, so we're just gonna let it go. Anyways, yeah, so that was the Ipsy for this month for me. Ipsy for next month looks pretty good too. I really like the box. The only thing I'm not super into, for some reason the palette didn't do like I preferred. But everything else seemed pretty cool. I mean, I don't know that I use a lot of it a whole lot, but like it's pretty cool. So yeah, we're gonna set our face because it is hotter than hell outside. And thank goodness that we are getting new setting spray today. Oh yeah, we're getting the Jeffree Star setting spray today. Who's ready for that video? Anyways, yeah, I guess that is it for this video. I enjoyed the box. I hope you enjoyed my video. Hope you liked my spoilers, since most of y'all probably didn't make it to the end, but it's fine. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.